Good morning and welcome to my AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism page.
Flippin' Physics.
Okay, so I recognize that some of you may be watching this video while not on my AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism page. Honestly, if you are studying AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism, I do not know why you are not watching it there. You can find the link below, down there. On this page, you will find all of my AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism videos in the order I suggest you watch them and organized by topic. When you click on the link for one of the videos, you will find you can click on the link to get lecture notes for every single video. And you will see you can click on the next video link to get to the next video. And you can click on the APC E&M link to get back to those general topics on my AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism page. Now let's talk about the AP2 and APC labels I put on every video on this page. I decided it would be helpful for you to know which of the videos on my AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism page are also a part of the AP Physics 2 curriculum. So if it was not clear already, realize the videos labeled AP2 are also for the AP Physics 2 curriculum, while the videos labeled APC are for the AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism curriculum specifically. Also, notice there are 0 external advertisements on my website. You are welcome. Actually, another also, for each topic I put links to appropriate OpenStax practice problems and the student solution guide. I figured those might be helpful. Anyway, welcome to my AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism page, and thank you very much for learning with me today. I enjoy learning with you.